Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to India, welcome to Pune, and welcome to Bajaj Auto. It's a great pleasure, and we are very honored and grateful for your presence over here.
Brazil market adds a lot of opportunity to the table. It is important to be connected with markets which are dynamic, which are evolving, where the customer is passionate about the bike. Because if we participate, and we have to participate successfully, we will be able to learn from these markets and flow that into our products, performance, and also in how we engage with the customers.
What has made us successful? We have got to this stage where we are the number one exporter of two-wheelers and the largest three-wheeler company in the world. And you've seen some of the three-wheelers outside when you would have stepped out. We are there in 79 plus countries right now across the globe and across all continents. There are around 40 plus companies in this group and about 36,000 employees within the Bajaj group. Yeah, so this is the kind of scale and size of the Bajaj group that we are talking about, within which this is this one company called Bajaj Auto.
We didn't want to just go and sell a few bikes in Brazil. It's a very important market. We are going to try our damnedest hard to establish the Bajaj brand in a very differentiated way in Brazil. So our expectation from Brazil is not just market share. Of course, market share is an important metric for success. But our expectation from Brazil is to go there and succeed by establishing a great brand which is loved by the customers, and by in the process of doing that, take away learnings which will enrich Bajaj Auto and help it to compete in the 79 countries that it is competing.
We would take this opportunity to felicitate, to acknowledge your presence, because it's obviously a great day for us that we can come together and create something which is going to be spectacular.
One of the best varieties of mango, which is very famous for this region, is known as the Alfonso. I think it is the best export of any product from India to Brazil. But I hope Bajaj will rewrite history and will be the next best export after the mango to Brazil.